So I just gave you like a little idea of how I'm dealing with my hair right now. I was super, listen, I was super spoiled when I was chopping my hair super short, because I would bleach it. Every single time I bleached it, we were just chopping it off, you know? I didn't have to worry about dead ends. I didn't need to worry about dryness. My hair was super healthy because we were like basically chopping, you know, anything that could potentially be chemically damaged off completely. Now that I'm trying to grow my hair out, I am starting to realize how spoiled I was. And now I'm really trying to take care of my hair. Like I basically bought the entire OLAPLEX bond maintenance or bond repair line. And I've just been really like taking it seriously. So my ends are very, very dry, but the stuff underneath it is pretty healthy. So I'm kind of hoping that I can like trim some stuff off slowly, and then we'll be able to like actually grow it out and have it be like healthy. I'm kind of thinking like a cropped bob sort of deal as my like my goal, and then I'm always gonna go back to a pixie. Like I just think that a pixie is the most flattering thing on me, but I do kind of like, while I'm young enough, want to like try growing it out. And now that I have like a little bit more knowledge about hair, I didn't know what the hell I was doing when I was in high school, okay, or college or middle school, any of those ages where I happened to have like some length. Didn't know what I was doing. All right, so I'm doing the most when it comes to trying to like hydrate it, you know. And I don't know if it's really doing enough, but we'll see. We'll see. So I'm filming 2 videos today, but one of them is going to be a little bit extensive. I did the first look for it. There's like a few different looks that I have to do. There's just like a few different parts. This morning, it's so beautiful in LA right now, which is not unusual because it's fucking LA and the weather is always nice. But in the mornings, it's like really like cool. It's like 65, and then like later in the day, it's like 80s, you know, which like I actually don't prefer, but it's still warm out, you know, so you get to kind of like experience like summer during the day, and then like in the mornings it's like nice and cool. So this morning my boyfriend and I went for a walk around the neighborhood, and it was just like, oh, it's like the perfect weather when you get to just like wear like a sweatshirt, leggings, sneakers with like your socks pulled up, you know what I mean? Like that's what I'm so ready for that. I basically didn't experience summer this year. I feel like I spent the entire summer in like workout clothes. Oh man, it's a really long story. But we'll talk about that a little bit later. Anyway, now I finished the first part, which is sort of like this clean girl makeup look, which I actually love. And I don't know that I've done like a clean girl makeup look where there's like minimal makeup and you're just like kind of like doing little enhancements. I mean, I have, but this feels like the least amount of makeup that I've worn in a long time. So if you want to see like an in-depth tutorial on it, it's just really pretty. I don't know how get the slowest zoom in the world going. I don't know like how it comes off on camera, but I did like these little just like highlights on my eyes, and like the skin is just like so clean, you know, which is like a tiny bit of spot concealing. I didn't even like do my brows that much. Anyway, I now am going to, I'm gonna eat something because I'm hungry. Then I gotta do part 2. And then I don't know what's gonna happen after that. Something, I'll have to take another break probably to like pee. Boo, boo, why are you ignoring me? It's so rude when you ignore me and you make that face at me like I'm not the one who keeps you fed and watered. You know what I mean? It's so rude. You're cute though. You look great on camera. Pay attention to me. Biscuits. Oh, little kitten. What? What are you doing? You're a goof. Ziva doesn't like to be pet. She likes to pet herself on this carpet. Okay, so for breakfast, I usually like will have eggs. I've been having eggs for like a really long time, and then I just got sick of eggs and I didn't want to have them anymore. I started making like, it's gonna sound so weird, but like ground turkey with like peppers and onion for breakfast. And then it's nice because you can just like make it and then you can just like have it. You can just have it on days when you like don't want to make something. So you can like make it ahead of time, which is really nice. I personally just feel best when I like start off my day with like protein and fat, to be honest, which is why I had scrambled eggs and avocado for so long. This morning, I just didn't, I have too much to do. So I just like don't have the time to make the turkey stuff. So I'm just like cooking up some sweet potatoes. Apparently there is a difference between sweet potatoes and yams. I didn't know that. So I think what I eat are sweet potatoes, but I like saying yams. I don't know why. That'll be the oven. Obviously just like cube them and then I will drizzle them with some avocado oil and then throw some cinnamon down. And then sometimes I'll throw a little sea salt on. Depends on how I'm feeling. I didn't do that today. And then I will just bake them on the top rack at 415 for 15 minutes. And then I'll mix them up and just kind of get a feel. Like they're a little cubed a little bit larger this time around. So I might have to do like 18 minutes afterward. It depends on like how done you want them. You know, like I like them to be kind of crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. The amount of oil that you use is also going to like dictate how crispy they get and soft on the inside. But yeah, anyway, I just kind of wanted to, since we're here, mention that I am currently trying to heal my relationship with sugar. If you've been watching my channel for a while and you watch all of my videos, because I feel like most people probably only interact with like the makeup content. I have talked about my relationship with sugar a few times. I uploaded this video. Oh, the battery's gonna die already? That's so rude, I just started talking. Okay, the yams were delicious. My camera died, so I didn't get to show them to you. We're on to look 2. So this is gonna be the second time that I wash my face and then I have to apply makeup again. I'm wearing my little hoop earrings from Pavoy with my little charms, if you saw my little jewelry styling video recently. And also I think this is a Pavoy ring, I actually don't know. I don't remember, but it's super affordable. You can get it on Amazon. The quality is not gonna be as good as something like Missouri, all right? It's just not, but they get the job done, you know? This is like a very pretty makeup look. I'm actually really enjoying it. Now I'm gonna film something that is like super glam fall makeup that I'm really excited about because I'm just like so ready for fall. Yeah, dude. I was saying that I am trying to heal my relationship with sugar. I think I'm gonna make a specific video about it, about this experience, because it's like kind of a big topic. And I've obviously like made content around this topic before and I have addendums. I have like a different perspective. There are some things that still hold true, but I want to talk about it. I just want to talk about it because I think that's something that like affects, I think the relationship with sugar, or if I could just say disordered eating. So just like keep that in mind. If I do upload a video that is specifically about this topic, if that's a sensitive topic for you, you might not want to watch. I'm actually going to suggest some like really good channel, a really good channel to watch if you have any kind of like, you know, disordered eating, especially if it revolves around binging. Anyway, who cares? We're not talking about that in this video, okay? We're keeping it light. This is just like you're chilling. You're seeing like what my bullshit is throughout the day. I'm gonna go wash my face. I think I'm gonna make like a green smoothie, which maybe I'll show you. And then I gotta actually start filming. I gotta start filming. That's the smoothie. I started making green smoothies when I was a vegetarian in college because I hated vegetables. So like putting spinach, kale, cucumber. I mean, I like cucumbers, but just anything that I can like fit in it, basically. For a while I was putting broccoli in a green smoothie. Doesn't really blend that well. But yeah, so I just kind of like put all that stuff together. I don't have like measurements or anything. I just kind of like throw it all together, just like what feels right. And I personally really like it. The more lemon juice and pineapples you use, it'll taste like way better. Like it basically just ends up tasting like an adult like lemonade that doesn't have alcohol in it, in my opinion. It's just like really refreshing. Sometimes you just like haven't had enough vegetables or fruit, you know? And it's just like an easy way to do it. And I just like fill up this whole thing. Usually I'll split it between me and my boyfriend, like we'll have little ones. Because we do eat vegetables, but like, I don't know, there are days like today where I'm gonna be filming all day long. It's easy. I am doing sheet masks in between doing my makeup because I'm gonna be doing my makeup 3 times. So I'm trying to make sure that I don't like destroy my skin. It's been working so far. So I'm gonna have this. I gotta start on the next thing. Okay, I have been filming all day and I'm done talking. Like I'm so done. This is the final look though. Very fall, very glam. Love. By the time you see this, you'll probably have seen this video already, but who knows? Yeah, just absolutely obsessed. My top is from Lioness. I'll try to link it. Necklace is Missouri. These came in like a little gift box from ColourPop. I have no idea what the brand is, but I'll try to link them. But I liked that they were mixed metal. I'm into that recently. Super cute. Anyway, I don't even know if this is a video. Like, I don't even know if this is like anything at all that is interesting at all. If it's not, then maybe I won't even upload it. That's always an option. But I just wanted to see if I had like literally a couple people be like, ooh, we liked this format. So like, can you do this more? And it's pretty easy for me to film, so I will, if you like really want to see it. Yeah, I don't know, dude. Like if more people want to see it, I'll do it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see another one, and please expect there to be like a pretty chill version of this sort of video where I'm sitting down and I'm talking to you about my relationship with sugar, but also just keep an open mind. Please keep an open mind. And also if that kind of discussion is a lot for you, then I would skip it. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hope that this was at all interesting. Like, subscribe, you can become a member on my channel for members only live streams, and also when I do regular live streams, your comments will be highlighted so I can actually see them, which is nice. Yeah, I'm gonna go. These cats are hungry. They're literally just like sitting here like, hello, it's 4 o'clock, like give us food. I'll see you in the next one, bruh. Bye. Bye.